Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your online tutor Neeraj Nidhi, and in this video I'll tell you how to use count and count a function in Excel. So friends, both of these functions belongs to a same group even their syntax are same, which is value 1 mandate and value 2 is optional. Both of these functions are very useful and very easy to learn. So I'm moving to definition. So count function will count only the numeric value. When you apply count function and define its range, it will only count the numeric value from that particular range, like 3, 1 to 3, triple 1. So it will only count the complete numeric value. Now moving to count A. So count A will count all types of value except blank or empty cells. So friends, when you apply count a function and define its range, it will count all types of value from that particular range except blank or empty cells. If any cell is blank or empty in that particular range, it will not count that cell. So it will count numeric value, alphabetic value, alphanumeric value, special character, and functional. All these types of value it will count. Now moving to the example, so I've created a database in which I have serial number in column A, value type in column B, and value in column C. At number 1, I have alphabetic value which is Nitya. At number 2, I have numeric value which is date. At number 3, I have again alphabetic value which is my block address. At number 4, I have alphanumeric value. At number 5, I have function error. At number 6, I again have numeric value. At number 7, I again have numeric value. At number 8, I have written blank because I don't have any value in column C. At number 9, I have alphabetic value. At number 10, I have special character which is at the rate. So friends, I apply both of these functions one by one. I start with count. So after typing count, if you see, I have a list of formulas in front of me like count, count A, count blank, count if, and count if as. So all these five functions belongs to a same group but performing different action. So in this video, I will tell you about count and count A. For count blank, count if, and count if as, I have a separate video. Please do watch all these video. In all these video, I have taken the same database so you will understand it easily. So for count A, my syntax is value 1 and value 2 optional. So friends, syntax of any function is basically the combination of arguments basis which your function works or perform the action. So in this function, I have value 1 which is my first argument which is mandate and value 2 optional. So any argument which is covered with square bracket is an optional part. You are not bound to use them. You if you want to use you can, but that is not mandate. Mandate part is value 1. So I'll define my range. I'm selecting my range, closing my bracket and enter. Here is my result which is 3 because I have 3 numeric value in my range. I'll tell you. First one is at number 2 which is date. Second one is at number 6 which is 1, 2, 3. Third one is at number 7 which is 0. So I have 3 numeric value in my database, that's why result is 3. Now moving to count A. So if you see the syntax for both the functions are same. This is similar to count function which is value 1 which is my argument 1 which is mandate and value 2 argument 2 which is optional. I'm again selecting my range. My range will remain same, then closing my bracket, and my result is 9 because it will count all types of value except blank cell. So I'll show you. So in my database, I have one blank cell and 9 types of values. That's why my result is 9. In my database, I have total serial number 10. At number 8, I don't have any value in column C. That's why it will not count that particular cell and except number 8, it will count all the values. That's my result. My result is 9. So friends, I hope you are clear on both the formulas, on both the functions. Now I have a question for you guys. So here is a database. So in this, you need to apply count and count a function and share the result with me. You can share your result with me in comment box through comment box which is below this video. So friends, thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel if you like this video and find useful. So please click on like button. You can also leave your comments, suggestion, any queries related to any of the functions, or please share my videos. Thank you.